How to report your lost or stolen device on the TrueDevice app. Prerequisites: phone bill, phone box, phone IMEI numbers, phone serial number, government-issued ID card. On the home page of the TrueDevice app, click on Track or Report Your Device option. Now on the top right you'll see the Report tab. Click on it. In case you want to report a device already registered with us, simply go to the Devices section and click the Report button under the phone you want to report. If you're reporting an unregistered device, please follow these steps. Step 1. Upload the picture of your phone bill and click Proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Fill the device details as asked in the form. Make sure to enter both IMEI numbers. You can find the IMEI number printed on your phone's box and the phone's bill. In case your phone only has one IMEI number, fill the same number in the IMEI2 field. After filling the form, click Proceed to Step 3. Step 3. Enter the purchase details as asked in the form. Make sure to enter the purchase date in the correct format, which is DD, YYYY mentioned in the form. Emergency contact is a number that true owner checkers will use to contact you or confirm the seller is the true owner. Make sure you don't fill the phone number that you've inserted in the device, as you may lose access to this number in case you lose your phone. Make sure to enter the phone number of a close family member or friend. After filling the details, click on Proceed to Step 4. Step 4. Upload the picture of the back side of your phone box. Make sure this side shows the IMEI numbers of your device, as this may come in handy while identifying the correct device. After uploading the picture, click on Proceed to Step 5. Step 5. Upload the picture of your government-issued ID card, then click Report Now. Next up is the reporting fee overview. You can choose to pay online securely via UPI, net banking, debit or credit cards. Has you just reported your device on the TrueDevice app? You can find your reported device in the Devices tab on the home page bottom bar. You are now eligible to track the photo, name, email, phone number, and exact location of all true owner checkers of your reported smartphone. Keep tracking your reported device for updated info of the true owner checkers who input your reported device's IMEI number or serial number to verify a seller before buying a pre-owned smartphone. That's all for now. I will be back with more tutorials like how to check the true owner, how to track your lost phone, and how to buy and sell on the TrueDevice app. Once again, thank you for choosing TrueDevice, your smartphone's best friend.